This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cocktail balls. First, gather your favorite spirits like vodka, rum, or gin. Next, choose your mixers, perhaps some fresh fruit juices, sodas, or a homemade simple syrup. Don't forget your spherical ice molds. They come in various sizes, so pick what suits your style. This initial step sets the foundation for delicious, visually appealing drinks. Now, let's mix. In a pitcher, combine your selected spirits and mixers. Feel free to adjust the ratios to your taste, aiming for a balanced flavor. Carefully pour this concoction into your spherical ice molds, ensuring not to overfill them. Place the filled molds into the freezer for a minimum of 4 to 6 hours, or until they are completely solid. Patience here ensures perfect spheres. Once frozen, it's time to serve. Gently remove the cocktail balls from their molds. A slight twist usually does the trick. Place 1 or 2 of these icy spheres into your chosen serving glass. For an extra touch, garnish with fresh fruit, a sprig of herbs, or a vibrant citrus twist. These elegant additions elevate the visual appeal and complement the drink's flavors beautifully. To make your cocktail balls truly shine, don't be afraid to experiment with various flavor combinations. High-quality ingredients always yield a superior taste, so choose wisely. Consider using fresh juices and premium spirits for the best results. These tips will help you create impressive and delicious drinks every time. Also, for other great deals and to upgrade your clean game, check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.